Part 9 of our gaming / work computer build is this heavy guy, which is an EVGA 750 G2 power supply. It's got a carrying handle just in case you need to take your power supply with you on the go. So if we just open it, which, there we go. Oh man, I feel so bad for making fun of it now. Look at this. Look at how fancy this is. It's a power supply. It's... oh, it smells like new plastic too. We've got a sack. Again, just in case you need to carry around your power supply. Cables of VGA cables. Power cable. Cables, 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 crap. There we go. Look at all of these cables. So the SATA cable and the motherboard cable and obviously hundreds of other cables as well. There's nothing you won't be able to plug in with this. I'll just put all that down. It also comes with Velcro cable ties. And this one, which was hiding at the bottom. Yeah. Oh, and screws, so you can mount it. Okay, so you've just seen how many cables there are. Now, the actual power supply itself, which probably is nowhere near as interesting as all the cables. Instruction booklet. Oh, and it's in its own little cloth bag. Velcro cloth. Why is power supply packaging so fancy? Like, this is like the least sexy part of the computer, and they went all out on bags and storage and... wow. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. It's a plain black block, big old fan on the bottom. So, let's just take a closer look at this. As suggested by the 750 in the name, this is a 750 watt power supply. It has a 80 plus gold certification for energy efficiency. So if you care about saving like $1 a year, this is a modular design power supply, meaning that you can plug in just what you need, which is to say you're only going to be using like 2 of the hundreds of cables that come with it. Speaking of hundreds of cables, look. Hundreds of cables, like a literal mountain of cables everywhere. There's a 140 millimeter fan built into the power supply. This power supply also has a little switch on the back for something that it calls eco mode, which allows for the fan to be completely off at very low loads. Well, thank you for watching our unboxing of the power supply and the cabling nightmare that comes with it. Oh, wrong side. EVGA 750 G2 power supply. Power supply, cabling nightmare. If you subscribe or follow along, we've got the unboxing of more parts, and we are going to have a building and benchmarking video for the PC that all these parts will be going into.